Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, on the 25th of Zulqada, we set forth along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we intended nothing but to perform Hajj. When we reached near to Makkah Mukarramah, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever has no sacrificial animal should take off ihram after making the circuit of the house and marching between Safa and Marwa. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, on the day of sacrifice, 10th of Zulhajj, the flesh of a cow was brought to us. I asked, from where has it come? It was said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has slaughtered an animal on behalf of his wives. Yahya states, when I narrated this hadith to Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad, he said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you have narrated this hadith as it is. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 2917.